Stone HS700E 4K UHD drone with EIS anti-shake 130 FOV camera for adults, GPS quadcopter with 5 GHz FPV transmission, brushless motor, easy auto return home, follow me and outdoor carrying case. 4K EIS anti-shake camera. The EIS, electronic image stabilization, technology reduces video blurring and makes video transmission more stable. It uses pixels outside the border of the visible frame to provide a buffer for changes in direction. The 5 GHz FPV transmission allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. A 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 130-degree FOV lens can capture a wide view of every precious moment. It lets you have almost unlimited viewing. GPS and GLONASS navigation satellite system. Since it is equipped with these two navigation modules, the drone can hover with more stability, reducing the risk of loss. When the drone loses signal or power, it will trigger the return to home function. Extremely user-friendly, there is no need for complicated preparation work before each flight. The altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow modules make the Hs720 super friendly for novice pilots. The brushless motors run more powerfully and with much less noise than competitor drones. Numerous additional features for endless fun. The Follow Me, custom flight path and smart return to home can be controlled by our Ophelia application while you view your drone's camera video on your smartphone. Modular batteries and easy-to-carry case, easy and safe to use. This superior drone comes with a premium carrying bag. These features make the Hs700E easy to use outdoors and very simple to store safely when not in use.